Hi there. Is this seat taken?
Oh, no, it's not. Please, have a seat.
Thanks. By the way, I'm Emma.
Nice. Nice to meet you, Emma. I'm Jake.
Nice to meet you too, Jake.
Are you from around here?
Yes, I live in Brooklyn. What about you?
I'm from Chicago, but I moved here last year.
Oh, that's cool. Do you like New York so far?
Yeah, it's busy but exciting.
So, what do you do for work, Jake?
I'm a graphic designer. I work for a small design agency.
That's interesting. I'm a teacher.
Listen carefully, and if you understand everything by the end, drop a yes in the comments.
Oh, really? What do you teach?
I teach English to international students.
Wow, that's awesome. You must meet people from all over the world.
Yes, I do. It's one of my favorite parts of the job.
That sounds great.
How about you? Do you like your job?
I do. I love working with colors and creativity.
That's nice. How long have you been doing design work?
Almost 5 years now.
Impressive. Did you study design in college?
Yes, I did. I went to the University of Illinois.
Oh, I've heard it's a good school.
So where did you go to college, Emma?
I studied at New York University.
Ah, NYU. That's a great place.
Yeah, I loved it there.
So how long have you been teaching English?
For about 6 years now.
That's a lot of experience.
Yes, I've taught in different countries too.
Really? Where?
I worked in Japan for 2 years and then in Spain for 1.
That's amazing. You must love traveling.
I do. Traveling and meeting new people.
Same here. I love exploring new cities.
Have you traveled outside the US?
Only to Canada and Mexico so far.
That's a good start.
What about your family, Emma?
I live with my husband and our little daughter.
That's nice. How old is she?
She's 6 years old.
Oh, that's a fun age.
Yeah, she's full of energy.
I live alone, but I visit my parents often.
That's good. Family time is important.
Absolutely.
So, Jake, what do you do in your free time?
I like photography and hiking.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, I love capturing nature photos.
I love photography too, especially travel photos.
That's awesome. Do you post your photos online?
Sometimes on Instagram.
I do the same.
So, do you drink coffee often?
Every morning. Can't start my day without it.
Same here. I'm addicted to cappuccino.
Haha, me too.
Do you come to this cafe often?
It's my second time. How about you?
I come here almost every weekend.
I can see why. It's cozy here.
Yeah, and the coffee is great.
So, what made you become an English teacher?
I've always loved languages and helping people learn.
That's a great reason.
What made you choose design?
I've been drawing since childhood. Art was always my passion.
That's beautiful. Passion makes work meaningful.
I agree 100%.
Do you like living in New York now?
Yeah, it's crowded, but there's so much to see.
True. I still discover new places after years.
Same here.
What's your favorite spot in the city?
I love Central Park.
Oh, me too. It's so peaceful there.
Yeah, especially in the morning.
Do you have any pets?
I have a cat named Milo.
Cute. I have a dog named Daisy.
That's nice. Do they get along with kids?
Yes, Daisy loves my daughter.
Aw, that's sweet.
Do you like cooking?
A little. I cook pasta and burgers mostly.
That's not bad.
You?
I cook every day. I enjoy trying new recipes.
That's awesome.
What's your favorite food?
Pizza, no doubt.
Classic choice. Mine is sushi.
Oh, sushi is amazing.
Do you go out often with friends?
Yeah, sometimes on weekends.
Same here.
So, do you like movies?
Yes, I love romantic comedies.
I prefer action movies.
Figures.
What's your favorite TV show?
Friends. I've watched it many times.
Me too. It never gets old.
So, Jake, what's your dream job?
I'd love to work for a big creative studio someday.
That's a great goal.
And you?
I want to open my own English learning center.
Wow, that's inspiring.
Thanks. Maybe one day I will.
I'm sure you will.
So, how do you usually spend your weekends?
Mostly relaxing or exploring new coffee shops.
Nice. I do that too sometimes.
Do you like reading?
Yes, especially motivational books.
I prefer novels.
Have you ever been to a concert in New York?
Once. It was amazing.
Which band?
Coldplay.
Oh, wow. Lucky you.
You like music too?
Yes, I love soft rock.
Same here.
So, Jake, what's something people don't know about you?
Maybe that I can play guitar.
Really? That's cool.
Yeah, just for fun.
I wish I could play an instrument.
You can still learn.
True. Maybe I will.
You seem very positive, Emma.
Thanks. I try to be.
That's a great attitude.
Thanks, Jake. You're friendly too.
Appreciate it.
Well, it was really nice talking to you.
Same here.
Maybe we'll meet again sometime.
That would be nice.
Here's my card. If you ever need English lessons, call me.
Sure. And if you need a logo design, let me know.
Deal.
Have a great day, Emma.
You too, Jake.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.